Working on this log landing for our Woodland Mills sawmill. Welcome back to the Off-Grid Homestead. Tom
and Tammy's
Off-Grid Homestead. Episode 54.
A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Ready? I'm going to tell you what I want.
What do you want?
I want Japanese quail and pheasant, but it can't be free range.
Huh?
And I think my goats are pregnant.
Your goats are pregnant.
I think so. I need to build that out. And I'm trying to adopt
Aren't
two
they?
turkeys.
Aren't they young for that? So we're gonna have pregnant teenagers at home.
We're in the century. That's what happens. I just contacted somebody about some turkeys. They want to get rid of turkeys.
Now we're gonna get turkeys.
Yeah, and I want to find peacock eggs so I can incubate them myself. I'm getting some eggs from this lady, local guinea hens. I'm going to incubate them myself. And I'm going to incubate Muscovy ducks because they're good eating ducks. I don't want to eat mine because they're kind of like pets.
Okay. Well, it's a glorious day here on the homestead. Come journey with us, explore, and see what we're up to.
Yeah.
So our skid steer is powered with diesel fuel. If you've ever run a diesel motor before, you don't want to let it run out of fuel. If you do, you have to basically bleed all the injectors. It's a chore, makes a mess, diesel fuel everywhere. So I'm going to start up our skid steer so I can raise the arm to make it easier to fuel. So our skid steer takes 20 gallons of fuel. I'm gonna fast forward through this all so you don't have to sit and watch me put diesel fuel in a skid steer. You get Poseidon in the background. Showing that we're full of fuel and we're good for as far as the temperature goes. So the left joystick controls the forward, backward, and left to right motion of our skid steer, lining up to our 6-way bulldozer attachment. The controls for the attachments on our skid steer, the boom in the front, the hydraulics, are all controlled on the right side. Now I'm checking after connecting up to make sure that everything's operating the way it should. So this attachment tips up and down from left to right as well as tipping forward and aft. This attachment's really useful because the tracks on the skid steer follow the terrain, and with this attachment you can see here on the right side, the starboard side, you can see that the blade is cutting in deeper than on the left side or the port side of the skid steer. So in order to change the terrain, I'm taking multiple cuts I'm looking off my left side there because the decking for our sawmill shop is right there. So what I want to do is the hillside and the mountainside washes down towards the sawmill, and I want to create a draw so that the water washes off before getting to the sawmill. As you can see, the dirt rolls up and off the top of the blade. Once I get this area leveled out, that's where we're going to be putting our chipper, which is off to the right there, the yellow piece of equipment. We want to put our chipper in this spot so that as we're cutting our logs, any of the drop that we have, we can send it right through the chipper and then take that and put it in our back to Eden garden. See there, you can see that you can direct it so that the dirt, when it rolls off, wants to roll off to the left side. See, a pretty good cut there. This work actually will be cut into several episodes due to the fact that this work lasted for over a week. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you want to see how everything comes out, make sure you like and subscribe.